Hello there, this is Krishna Shayar, producer of the film Bharat Maro Desh Hai, and greetings to the 8th Noida International Film Festival. Well, major roadblocks that we faced while starting the shoot was definitely COVID-19 pandemic. There were many measures that were to be taken care of, and we make sure that none of our crew members get infected, as it will kill time as well as our project will suffer. Besides that, we were pretty sure that the project should complete before 31st December, and we were quite late. We started our shoot on approximately like 1st October, and we were precise that this schedule should be completed within certain amount of days. Otherwise, we wouldn't match the deadline. So yeah, that was it, and by the God's grace, nothing happened, and yeah, we succeeded. Well, talking about financial resources, when the project was pitched to us, we calculated the budget of the film, and luckily everything fell within the budget, so there wasn't any issue regarding financial resources. Coming to human resources, our production house has produced many films, and we have set of skilled peoples we have worked with. So those people helped us to carry out this project. So there wasn't any issue regarding human resource too. We shot in this remote area where this tribe lived, and to convince them to shoot was quite difficult. Firstly, they didn't know what to do when the camera starts. They didn't knew the continuity. So at the time of lunch, we took the whole lot to the lunch, and half of them didn't came back. So it was pretty difficult. But yeah, they were supportive in other ways, like they give their herds to us to live. They also supported regarding the localites supported us in crowd management, as our film contained many crowd scenes, and it was quite difficult, but we managed. Well, another problem that we faced was due to pandemic. Every shop nearby was closed, so we needed the property at the time of the shoot wasn't available so easily, so that killed pretty much time. Also, after the destruction scene, we need to rebuild the huts, so that was quite time killing. But yeah, we managed. It was quite similar, talking about how we thought and what the outcome is. The reason is we started the shoot on 1st October, but before that, in pre-production part, from 15 September to 30 September, we took a workshop in which all the actors were trained and turned into their characters. So we put up the dummy set, as well as we tried on many costumes to make the character real, and we can say that what we have imagined and what is the outcome is quite different in a positive way. So yeah, it was more than what we expected. Well, we aren't targeting any particular audience, but yeah, mainly I would like to show this film to those who are in the power and who has the power to change the life of this tribal. This film clears out the vision about these tribes, about their lifestyle, and personally speaking, it's a creative field. So the film is for those who love the art of the cinema. We are currently working on the promotional strategy of this project. Due to pandemic, theaters aren't open, and if they are open, the public is too scared to go on such public platforms. So as of now, we are working on it. Well, I would like to end this by saying that all the very best to all the films who have been selected in the Noida International Film Festival, and best of luck to them, and may the best film win.